Hi, Ed Akehurst here, and I want to talk about our post filter Chrome extension. We've just done an update on it today. If you haven't heard about this before, it's a filter for your Facebook feed. It allows you to take control of your feed and see only what you want to see, or don't see anything of what you don't want to see. Now, right now, it's in a limited functionality. It's in beta. All it does right now is it turns sponsored ads on or off. So you can watch your feed normally, which I'll show you in a second. It'll have all your posts with sponsored ads throughout, sponsored posts, they call them. Or you can see only posts, no sponsored ads, which is like an ad-free environment, which if you're just using Facebook for social things, that's perfect. Or you can see only ads. And there's a couple of good reasons you might want to do that. One, if you're a marketer like me, you want to see the ads and see what people are doing and which ones are getting great feedback and study the language and things like that. But if you are not a marketer and you don't mind seeing the sponsored posts, but you want to see them a little bit more towards your liking, you could show only sponsored posts and then take 10 minutes or 15 minutes and scroll down real quick and hide all the ones you don't like, report the ones that offend you or get you angry or upset. You turn on the notifications for the ones you love, that kind of thing. And all of a sudden, Facebook algorithm will start seeing what you like, what you don't like, what ticks you off, and it'll show you more relevant and interesting information. Eventually, there will be keyword filtering. So let's say you're tired of coronavirus, you need a break from it. You could put in the keyword coronavirus. Show me only posts, no sponsored posts, and show me only posts that do not have the word coronavirus or COVID-19 in there or COVID in it. And then all of a sudden you'll have a day that's coronavirus free, at least as far as your feed goes. Maybe you're tired of the election stuff. You could say, don't show me anything with Trump, Biden, election, Senate, House, bill, anything like that. And your feed will be good. Or maybe you only want to see a certain keyword. Maybe a new car came out or a new game or a new laptop or a new camera or whatever your friends are talking about that's new. You could put that keyword and say, only show me posts if they have this keyword in it. Now, all of a sudden, that's all you can talk about. You can learn it, real quick. You can see what your friends are saying. And because of the way the algorithm works, you might have 100 friends talking about a particular camera, for example, that just came out, but Facebook is only showing you, some of your friends' posts, so you're not seeing them. Well, now you'll get to see all of them, or you can go into your groups and that kind of thing. If you're a marketer like me, now you can also say, hey, I want to, maybe I'm going to do an affiliate campaign for this product, or maybe I want to get into this new niche. And I can say, I only want to see those. So I can see what the people are saying. What do they like about it? What don't they like about it? How are they describing it? That kind of thing. So it's good for marketers and non-marketers alike. Let me show it to you. Let's go ahead and share my screen here. And I'll share just my Facebook feed here. And I can let's get rid of my picture. We don't need to see me for the moment. All right. And I'm just going to scroll down real quick. We'll see, like this post, there's a live. There's regular post, there's a sponsored post. Okay. Then usually about every 3 or 4 posts is going to be sponsored. That was 3. So it's probably next one's going to be sponsored. Nope, we got lucky, but there it is. There's a sponsor. So it's a good mix. Probably looks like this time of day, maybe every 4th or 5th is a sponsored. Usually it's about every 3rd one. There's another one. Okay. But let me show you this extension. Let's scroll back up to the top. Here's our extension post filter. Now, right now, all you can do is see just posts or just ads. Okay, so let's say I just want to see posts. Now, once we do our next update, you'll also have a place on here you can put keywords, like only show me posts with, this keyword or these keywords, or only show me posts that don't have these keywords, and the same for ads. So let's go to just posts, and it may take a second. It's going to refresh the page. Okay, and it may take just a second, and you'll see it's kind of thinking here. So give it a second, and then once it gets going, it'll get going. Okay, so here is my feed now, and there are absolutely no sponsored ads. Okay, and eventually we'll be able to do that for. Let's stop that. Eventually, you'll be able to do that with keywords, okay? In just a couple of weeks, we're going to be adding keywords. So let's do ads. Let's do only ads, okay? I only want to see ads. All right, there we go. And again, we'll give it a minute. And sometimes the first one for some reason sometimes is not correct. But then after that, everything else should just be an ad. See, it's thinking. There we go, and it did fix it. Sponsored, And sometimes it takes a second to think. Sponsored. This will be a sponsored ad. I'm in a really bad part of the day, too. My internet's always slow around this time of day. Sponsored. See, and that's it. And again, eventually, I'm going to just turn these off. Whoops, that's another one of our extensions. Friend connector. We'll stop that. Okay, so there you go. So that's post filter. I can stop the screen sharing. And let me show you where you can go to get some information on it. You can go right there. It's edsays.net/postfilter. And right now, we're still in beta, and we don't have full functionality on it. If you grab it early and help me out, help fund the creation of this thing, it's a one-time cost. Once we get all the functionality in, and we've been up a few weeks and we've worked out most of the bugs that are going to come when we add keywords, it's going to go to a monthly fee. So, but right now you can get in for a really low cost, one-time thing. Just pay for it, done, enjoy it. And as the upgrades come, you'll get them too. So that's it. That's all I had to share about Post Filter. Enjoy, take control over your Facebook feed, and have some fun with it. Take care. Thanks.